Hi, it's Teacher Janelle. Thank you so much for checking out this Poetry Express course. In this course, whether you choose the camp style or the ongoing format, we're going to take a look at one poetic structure each class. Don't worry if you've never written a poem before or you've never written poems that are in the description. That's okay. Each week I'll break it down for you and we'll go through them step by step. Each activity will remain unthemed so that each student can express themselves on whatever issue it is or emotion or idea that pops up and is unique to them. If you want to share your poem at the end of the class, you are more than welcome to. If you don't want to, that's okay too. Every student can participate to their own individual comfort level. And of course, I'll be here to help you along the way, just like I always do. I look forward to seeing you soon.